Welcome to our speed reading course. Today, we'll introduce what speed reading is and explore why it can be beneficial for each of us. You'll be surprised to see how simple techniques can significantly boost your reading speed while also improving comprehension and retention. Our goal is to learn to read faster while preserving and even enhancing the quality of information processing. Sounds helpful, doesn't it? So, let's break down a few key principles of speed reading. The first important principle is information processing through your eyes. When reading, we're used to stopping at each word or silently voicing them. But our brain is capable of processing information much faster. Speed reading teaches you to perceive not individual words but groups of words at once, which significantly speeds up the process. We'll be working on expanding your peripheral vision to train your eyes to capture not just one word but several at a time. The second principle is avoiding inner speech. Right now, you might hear yourself reading silently, avoiding inner speech. This is called subvocalization or inner speech. Typically, we say the words to ourselves, which slows down our pace. Our course will help you minimize this inner speech so that you can absorb the text faster without getting caught on each word. And finally, the third principle is directing your attention correctly. Often, our attention jumps around, causing us to backtrack. In speed reading, it's important to keep moving confidently forward without going back. We'll gradually train your focus to reduce the need to skip back or linger. Today's homework is simple. You'll measure your current reading skills so you can track your progress over time. Right now, please find a text and article, a book excerpt, anything. Set a timer and read it as you normally would. Record how many words you read and the time it took. This result will be your starting point. As the course progresses, we'll return to these measurements so you can see how your skills evolve. Don't worry if your speed seems low right now, that's completely normal. Remember, like with any skill, practice and patience are key. So, go ahead, do your first measurement, and note down the result. We'll come back to it, and soon, you'll start seeing the first improvements.